What if I told you that your next trip could change the world, one community at a time? Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel. I am Shalom, your tour guide. Today we're diving into something super exciting and meaningful, traveling with a purpose. We're talking about voluntourism and eco-friendly destinations, two ways you can have an unforgettable experience while also making a positive impact. Now, you might be asking, what is voluntourism and why does it matter? Voluntourism is all about combining your travels with volunteering. It's the perfect way to give back while you explore new places. Imagine building a school in Peru in the morning and hiking Machu Picchu in the afternoon, or helping protect sea turtles in Costa Rica while enjoying breathtaking beaches. Voluntourism offers not just a vacation, but a meaningful experience that stays with you long after your trip ends. But it's not just about volunteering, it's also about being eco-conscious. The world is facing environmental challenges, and we as travelers have a role to play in reducing our footprint. More and more travelers are choosing sustainable destinations where eco-friendliness is at the heart of everything, from where you stay to what you eat. These places don't just offer great experiences, they promote practices like energy conservation, waste reduction, and supporting local communities. One of my favorite eco-friendly destinations is Costa Rica. Here, sustainability is a way of life. Everything from the food to the activities revolves around preserving the natural environment. Here's the thing, traveling with purpose is more than just a trend. It's about making our journeys meaningful, helping others, protecting our planet, and creating memories that we can be proud of. Not only do you get to explore beautiful places, but you also get the chance to connect with locals, learn their stories, and contribute to their communities. It's like becoming part of something bigger than yourself. So, how can you start your own voluntourism adventure? Here are some quick tips. Number 1, do your research. Make sure the organization you're volunteering with is ethical. Look for programs that focus on long-term community benefits. Point 2, choose a cause you care about, whether it's education, wildlife conservation, or healthcare. Pick something that aligns with your passions. Number 3, consider sustainable destinations. Look for places that prioritize ecotourism, like Costa Rica, Bhutan, or New Zealand. These destinations are committed to protecting their natural beauty. And last but not the least, number 4, pack light and responsibly. Bring eco-friendly essentials like reusable water bottles, eco-soap, and minimal plastic. At the end of the day, traveling with purpose isn't just about where you go, it's about the difference you make. So the next time you're planning a trip, think about how you can make your adventure more meaningful. Ready to travel with purpose? Let's make the world a better place, one journey at a time. Remember, the world is a beautiful place, and it's up to us to keep it that way. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips. See you next time. Happy travel!